Sup guys, JC here. Quick pro tip. When rolling up your sleeve, there's actually three ways to do it. There's the casual way, the business ready, and what I like to call the lazy way. Now, here's a quick example of the casual way. So for the casual way, you just gotta make sure that you're rolling your sleeve up twice and the roll itself is approximately 2 inches, exposing your forearm and your watch. Now for business ready, as the name suggests, it's like you're ready for some action, so you just roll it a third time up, and again you just gotta make sure that the roll itself is approximately 2 inches, and you just gotta flatten everything up so it doesn't look messy. And now just for fun, we're gonna throw in the lazy way, like I said before. And this is just for those people who don't want to spend so much time rolling up their sleeve, and they just do one sleeve up, not even the button. That's not how it is, guys. So that's it, guys. Very easy to do, and it also works for the ladies using long sleeve. Now, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Peace.